Hey everyone, welcome to the show. All right, we've all heard of the terminology "pigs in a blanket," where you take a biscuit and you wrap it around a hot dog, and it's called "pig in a blanket." Well, in today's video, I'm going to do just the opposite. I'm going to take the hot dog and I'm going to wrap it in pig. Oh yeah, bacon wrapped hot dogs, guys. I hope you enjoy. All right, guys. So how we're going to start this out is we're going to right there. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to preset your oven for 425 degrees. And that little ding ding that you heard in the background, that's your oven being preheated. All right, you're going to take your bacon. Now, I got some thick cut bacon here. I don't think it's really that thick, but anyway, take your bacon, lay it out on a cutting board, take your hot dog, and roll it. Just like that. That's how easy it is. Roll it out there. Do as many as you want or as little as you want. I'm going to go with, I'll go with 6 today. Like I said, pretty simple. Lay the bacon out. Take your hot dog. Get one end. And what you want to do is you want to turn the hot dog a little bit like that. And there you go. I mean, it's that simple, guys. And I'll tell you, they come out fantastic. All right, I'll get the rest of these done, and when we come back, we'll show you what they look like. Thank you. All right, guys, here you go. These are the bacon-wrapped hot dogs. I decided to go with the whole pack of hot dogs, so I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I made 8 of them. How about that? And I still got enough bacon left over, as Mom said, for breakfast tomorrow morning. But anyway, go ahead and get these in the oven, 425 degrees. We're going to put them in here for about 30 to 35 minutes. But before I do that, I want to take these bacon wrapped hot dogs to the next level. So bear with me. I'll be right back. Go for it. All right, guys. We're having fun here. I had to pull one of the hot dogs aside for my mom because she cannot take that killer bees, honey chipotle killer bees. She can't take that. It's a little bit too much for her tender little belly. But we're going to take these hot dogs up to the next level. We're going to go ahead and sprinkle some of this right on there. And don't forget the other side. Rinse and repeat. Now, guys, you can also do this in your smoker, and I'm sure they would taste great in the smoker, but with the weather being 20 degrees outside, I'm not in the mood for standing out there and freezing my tuchus off for some of that. But we're going to go ahead and get these in the oven now. Again, 425 degrees. I'm going to put Mom's over here to the side. I guess you can tell which one it is because it doesn't have any seasoning on it. Drop these in the oven, 35 minutes. They're going to get nice and crispy. We'll pull them out and we'll show you what they look like. Alrighty, guys. Well, as you can see, we're done. I just pulled one of them off. Got a hot dog bun here. You can get some mustard. Put some mustard on there. Dropping the mustard. Get some mustard on there. But, oh, guys, look at that. And the smell, oh, that honey chipotle powder, it smells like barbecue in my house right now. Outdoor barbecue, indoor. All right, have a taste test, see how we did here. Oh, yeah, definitely, guys. That honey chipotle powder just takes that hot dog to the next level. All right, guys, do me a favor. Like, subscribe. Please share it with your friends. And until next time, God bless and happy eats. Love you all.